Alright, so today I received in the mail my second skin. I'm excited as hell. Well, I'm more excited because then the sound system that I have now, I'm going to be taking it out completely. And my rear deck, it's a Honda Civic, so it rattles like crazy. So this is going to be my big resolve. Second skin, I bought some Dampifler Pro. It's made in the USA. I've never really gotten anything made in the USA, to be honest. No cheap shit. You know how they say go big or go home? Well, this is an unboxing video. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. But I tell you what, it was really fast shipping. It got here real quick. Damn, they taped this shit like crazy. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this open. Holy shit. God damn it. Man, they tape this pretty good. I'm trying to keep the box as neat as possible because I won't be using this till crazy late. Alright. By the way, this shit's heavy as hell. Well, it's not really that heavy. It's about like 22 pounds. But alright, this is our Dampifler Pro. Holy mackerel. Damn. Okay. I have on my rear deck, because we had rattling issues, I took it to my car audio guy, and he put what's that called? Stinger dampening. And I tell you what, this feels so thick. It's crazy how thick this feels. It's so heavy. Look at that. Holy, I can feel like I'm holding a pizza box. It's so firm. It's so... Damn. I'm gonna count how much sheets are in here because I know when I wanted to know, my car audio guy told me how much sheets are they, and I couldn't find anywhere a video on how much sheets there were. So there's 1, 2, 3. God damn, it's just thick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There's a full of 21 sheets, and a square feet is about half of this, so there's 21. If you really think about it, it's kind of like 21 times 2 is 42 square feet, but maybe their measure's a little bit different. But either way, these are the Dampifler Pros. Man, I can't wait to put these in. This shit looks ridiculous. Alright, so this is the unboxing video. See you soon. I'll make a video when it's installed inside the car. Peace out. Yo.